Hello, the second study skill strategy that I want to share with you today is called Cornell notes. So the first step to the Cornell notes is to divide your paper into 3 different sections, like I have done here. This section is going to be the cues column, kind of like a skinny little column on the left-hand side of your paper, and then the majority of your paper is going to be the note section, and then the bottom section over down here is going to be the summary section. So that's the first step. You're going to divide your paper and make sure that you label those rows and columns. So for this strategy, let's say that we are studying protists and fungi. So while I am lecturing, or while you are going back and reading the text, you are to make notes in the note column. See, I have written notes about the protist and wrote some of the characteristics, and then fungi and some of their characteristics. You can also add pictures and things like that, just notes that will help you study whenever you come back to this. So once you have finished writing all your notes, you're to go back in this the cue column, and you're going to write the main ideas about your notes and things like that. So for example, for the note section, I wrote that protists were the first eukaryotes and they're members of the kingdom Protista. So in the cue column next to that, I will write eukaryotes in the kingdom Protista. And so that's kind of how that works. And then once you have finished making main ideas in the cue column, you're to go to the bottom of your paper, the summary section, and write down a summary of the notes. So for this, I wrote, protists and fungi are both eukaryotes that belong to different kingdoms. Protists belong to the kingdom Protista, and fungi belong to the kingdom Fungi. So this is just really helpful to a helpful way to organize your notes whenever you're coming back to study them. So this is why it's an effective study skill strategy. Thank you.